Here we go. Oscar Raven looking at the cook inlet and a tugboat and some ice cliff back there. Very flat. Very flat. Something feels different. I feel like I'm thinking of it differently too, but I don't know what that means either yet.
Yeah. Because I know of a couple of different people that have claimed, that they are completely breatharian from the last sort of 4 or 5 years onwards. They don't consume anything. They claim that they're awake for like 23 hours a day. They're doing the urine looping and that sort of stuff. Yeah. But yeah, I'm kind of